हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रेया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ ऑलमोस्ट 8 न्यू फ्रेग्रेंसेस लेकर आई हूँ एंड दीज आर ऑल फ्रॉम न्यूड परफ्यूम्स। नाउ न्यूड परफ्यूम्स, एज you can see here, is an Indian brand and this is like their new packaging right here. This is the older one. Perfumes or nude fragrances is literally luxury in a bottle. That's how they define themselves. This is an Indian brand and the best part is that these guys are creating their own private blends. Like in today's perfume era where everything is about dupes and copying some other fragrance and creating those kind of repeated scent profiles, Nude Perfume, I can proudly kind of call them like a niche Indian perfume house. You know, we have a lot of potential in India to create our own perfumes and, you know, make them viral instead. So today I'm going to share all the fragrances that I have from Nude Perfumes. I almost have like around, I think I have close to 8 fragrances from them. So grab a coffee, grab a snack. This may be a long video. I'll try to keep it short and precise, but just in case if your girl gets chatty, then what can be done? Right, so let's begin with the video. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Now the first perfume that I want to talk about is called as Luxe Latte, and this is how the box is. It's a magnetic closure, and once you open this, the perfume is sitting right here inside on a beautiful satin bed, if you see here. And nude fragrances, they always give like a perfume oil as a complimentary gift along with any order that you place. Now they have repackaged some of the new bottles, so I will show you how the other bottles look like, but this is how Luxe Latte looks like. Now I think that this is like a plastic embossed label here, and the details are mentioned right here. It's in beige color. So on the bottle, it's like very simple bottle where you can see the juice on one side, and then you have a label for Nude Perfumes, luxury in a bottle written here, and then the variant written right here, and golden cap and golden atomizer. Also, one more small detail that I forgot to mention, that they always give like perfume strips with each of their fragrances so that you can kind of like use them for testing and trying. So this is how the sprayer is. The sprayer is very good in quality, kind of like diffuses the product really well. Instantly, I'm like smiling ear to ear. This is one of the best coffee fragrances in my collection. Now, this is a 50 ml bottle and this one is priced for 2,099 rupees. It's currently on discount as I see here, and it's available at 1,099 rupees. Now, this one has notes of sensual cardamom, tangerine, mountain air, coffee extract, coffee absolute, vanilla absolute and milk cream with some vanilla, Mysore sandalwood and benzoin. Can you see the notes in here? Like, this is such a beautiful coffee scent with creaminess, lactonic notes, woodiness of sandalwood which is tying everything together, and that airy and freshness of mountain air. Like that, you know, the picture in my head that I get after sniffing this one and after using this one is that it's like a vacation getaway in the mountains. Like, just imagine that you are kind of like that you're visiting a cafe in the mountain area where like it's like a wooden floor and wooden cafe, and you're like surrounded by nature, birds chirping, trees, lush greenery, and you know that fresh mountain air you're experiencing, and that's where the complete city hustle fades away. That's the entire scene of this fragrance. It just takes you to a relaxing mountain vacation, in my opinion. This is such a sweet, cozy, warm, creamy fragrance. The hint of cardamom is strong in this one. It feels like coffee beans mixing up with some spices and that airiness of mountain air mixing up all together to create this masterpiece. You know, there are many fragrances which give you a tropical feel, but there are very few fragrances which will give you that mountain valley kind of a situation. So this is one of the best ones from them, and this one is called as Luxe Latte. Longevity of 8+ hours. Projection and sillage is moderate to loud. If you go over spraying, you will be projecting the whole day with around 7 to 8 sprays, and this one is a definite compliment getter. Let's move on to the next masterpiece, and this one is called as Whiskey Affogato. Now this is their newer packaging, which is like a dark deep green color with the details mentioned in gold here, and behind you have a lot of details mentioned here, like what kind of perfume oils they are using, what are the contents, what is the pricing, and all the necessary details that you need to know about the perfume are mentioned here. And again, a magnetic closure, and once you open the box, this is how your perfume is sitting here. sorry. So this is how the perfume is sitting here. That's the bottle, this is the complimentary oil, and then you have like a perfume strip sitting right here. This is again in the price range of 2099, currently on discount at 1399 rupees. Under 1500 you are getting a luxe packaging like this. If you are seriously considering a gifting option of like gifting a perfume to your loved ones, just go with these fragrances. Like, nude perfumes are doing such an amazing job and they are so underrated at this point of time. I don't know why these are not viral yet. Alright, so giving it a good spray. The bottle is similar to the previous one and the sprayer is really nice. My goodness. This fragrance is a deep amber, woody, kind of like whiskey, boozy, vanillic, sweet, powdery fragrance in my opinion. It has nuttiness, it has rosiness, some like tonicness, mixing up with this booziness of whiskey. My god, this is such a wholesome experience. You know what, I want to know who the perfumer is because this is a masterpiece. This one is created by master perfumer Mr. Saurav Dhyani. Mr. Saurav Dhyani, I am a huge fan of you now. Like, I love your creation. Gosh, this is so unique. This is so beautiful. The notes breakdown on this one is milk, rose absolute, Japanese yuzu, Irish cream whiskey, coconut cream, white chocolate, apricots and musk, amber, vanilla, coffee, Mysore sandalwood, caramel and amberette. This is a wholesome experience. Literally feels like being in a cozy vacation. You know what? This is not just a fragrance. This is a work of art. It's literally, it has so many nuances to it. Like, this is such an artistic fragrance. This is top-notch quality fragrance, and if you have to buy one perfume, go for this one. Like, this is such a warm, cozy fragrance. This is again a sweater weather fragrance in my opinion. I think this will do really well in the evenings and nighttime. In fact, this can be an easy date night fragrance for me. I find this to be very appropriate, very sexy for kind of like intimate times. I can literally imagine wearing like this gorgeous black dress, which is probably like deep neck and little sexy and little bold, wearing red lips, doing my hair and makeup and getting ready for a dinner date. Like, I want to be the center of attraction. I want to be the focus of the dinner, and I just want to make sure that I need to make sure that my man is looking at me and nothing else. So this is that kind of an attention grabber kind of a fragrance. This is a head turner, compliment getter. I think this smells niche. Okay, this smells niche quality stuff. This gets 100 out of 10. Chalo, thoda sa mahol change karte hain from those warm, cozy, sweater weather fragrances. Let's move on to something which is more summer, lighter, and a more daytime appropriate fragrance. The next perfume that I have for you is called as Lady Sunshine. Now this is their newer packaging where the bottles have become rounded with the detail in black like a sticker, and again this complimentary oil is still there. So I'll just give you a close-up of the new bottle. This is how it looks like. The juice color is still visible. Let's give it a spray. Now Lady Sunshine, as the name suggests, this is like a very bright, kind of like a good start of the day kind of a vibe. And this, to my nose, feels like orange popsicles and marshmallow mixing up with Baccarat Rouge 540. That's the feel of this fragrance that I get. Now, this perfume is kind of like a fruity, sweet, gourmand fragrance in my opinion. So it has mix of both. It has kind of like this dense and thick sweetness to it, but at the same time, it also has this fluffiness of marshmallows going on with like this brightness of orange. Like, you can just feel that zestiness opening up your senses kind of a feel. So this one opens up with orange cream, goes into marshmallow candy, coconut candy and dragon fruit, then has an added note of praline, dew moss and sandalwood. Now the sandalwood in this fragrance adds to the creaminess and also adds to a hint of earthiness in this fragrance. And all in all, this is again like a very sweet, a very feminine, a very girly kind of a fragrance with thickness, density, as well as that fluffiness and airiness in this fragrance, and something that I would wear on everyday basis, very office appropriate. I can even carry this off when I'm like going for meeting my friends, going for shopping, a very casual fragrance that you can like just go on with on everyday basis. This gives me around 5 to 6 hours with 5 to 6 sprays, so one spray 1 hour situation, and the projection and sillage is also kind of moderate on this. And if you want something in the realm of sweet marshmallow fragrances, but you do not want to get into that Kayali Yum Bougie marshmallow that everyone is talking about, you want a little different, a little hatke marshmallow fragrance, then you should try this one. The next fragrance that I have is Silk Oud. Now this fragrance is again one of their new releases, and this is a unisex fragrance. 50 ml bottle is priced for 3,000, and on discount this is currently available at $13.99 on their website. Now Silk Oud, in my opinion, is kind of like a, as the name suggests, silkiness meeting oud. I definitely get a very strong note of saffron in this one, mixing up with a lot of oud and woodiness. The notes breakdown is Indian bergamot, Kashmiri saffron, vanilla absolute, tonka and Bulgarian rose, oud louse, Mysore sandalwood, oak musk, praline, chocolate. This is such a mature fragrance and that I feel is appropriate for colder weathers or evening and night time. I personally would prefer something like this more on a guy than myself. The rose in this is very deep and dark, literally feels like that very dark maroon red rose that you get, which is like dipped in this praline chocolate, because it does have this rose chocolatiness playing in the background. The saffron is super strong in this one along with oud, and everything is binded well together with vanilla absolute. Now this fragrance has kind of like a vintage touch to it. I feel like this is like two generations holding hands in hand, like the experienced generation holding hands to the modern generation, like tradition meeting modernity. This is that kind of a fragrance. Traditions are guiding the modern folks in the family. This is just that kind of a handover situation for me. This kind of is like a very dark and sexy fragrance in my opinion. This does have like a appeal to it, like a sexy appeal to it, dark gothic energy as well, I can say. The next perfume is Passion Sapphire. Now the name Sapphire kind of reminds me of the Ed Sheeran song Sapphire. I've been obsessed by that song lately and I've not been able to get it out of my head. Well, this is back to this fragrance. This is again like one of their newer arrivals and priced for 3,000 rupees. Again, you can get it like the 50 ml for 13.99 currently on discount. This is a very deep, dark and a very mysterious fragrance. Something that is going to leave a mark. Like if you walk past someone wearing this, they're going to turn and see who it is. Who is it who is wearing this fragrance? This is not a safe blind buy. The woodiness in this is very strong and it feels like a very dry wood kind of a situation, like an exotic dry wood left in the forest, and some fruits and leaves are falling on that tree, and it's like mixing up with moss and earthiness and soil and moisture and everything which is in the forest, like that mossy effect. It also gives me like a sweet supari wala feel. Let's see the notes breakdown on this one. So the notes breakdown are juicy passion fruit, May rose, amberwood and benzoin, then Cambodian oud, Laos oud, Australian amyris, incense, saffron and patchouli. So yeah, from the notes breakdown, I can definitely say what I was perceiving is right. It's all because of so many oudi layers and woodiness present in this. And incense, that's why it's kind of like smelling like a meaty supari, is the incense that is doing that. Yeah, this is an earthy, mature, woody, fruity fragrance in my opinion. And I think although this is unisex, this will smell better on a guy than me per se. Easy 8 to 10 hours of longevity and projection and sillage is moderate. I would definitely see a guy wearing this one when he is going for meeting like a special person, or he's going for a coffee with her girl, so that kind of like a gentleman vibe. The next perfume is Blossoms. I've already done a review on my channel on this one, so I'll just give you a gist of what this fragrance is about. So Blossoms is a 50 ml bottle, $17.99, available on discount at $800 currently, and this one feels like a nice fresh fruity, floral, woody fragrance in my experience. This one opens up with bergamot, grapefruit, rose, geranium and peaches. Mid notes of rose, osmanthus, apricot, peach, milk, white flowers and sea breeze. Base notes of Himalayan cedar wood, iris butter, vanilla, benzoin, Indian sandalwood. Now this one does have like a nice lactonic floral feel to it, kind of creamy and milky, but is dominated by the florals that are present here. It just feels like, if I have to give you a mental picture, it kind of is like a woman who's holding or has been gifted a bouquet of flowers with some jasmine, some tuberose, some roses and You know, it is her first date with a guy. She's excited, she's nervous, she has those butterflies in her stomach, and then her guy shows up with a grand gesture of giving her a bouquet and a box of chocolate. So she's already kind of like, you know, getting comfortable with the way the guy is treating her, and then she's comfortably having her lunch and enjoying the lunch date. Those first conversations, those first experiences, you know, and those creating those core memories. This is that in a bottle. Very feminine, delicate kind of a fragrance, something that you can wear on daily casual basis, as well as you can like oomph it up to be worn for lunch dates. Just go a little overspraying with this and you'll be good for lunch dates. Longevity of 6 to 7 hours, projection and sillage is moderate. The next fragrance is Divalicious. This also I have reviewed on my channel. This is for $17.99, currently on discount on $800, and you can see the love that I've given to this bottle. Like the label has started to worn off and it's kind of become crusty, and the dent is visible here. A beautiful kind of like purple juice in this bottle, and this fragrance is a fruity fragrance. Okay, this is a fruit domination. It feels like a basket which is filled with fruits. Like this is juicy, fruity, fresh, and such a bright fragrance in my opinion. Opens up with bergamot, juicy orange, some mandarin and raspberry, mango, Indian jasmine, sambac, amberwood and benzoin, amber and sensual musk. So this is like a fruity musk fragrance. The dry down is definitely powdery on this one. This is a modern diva, modern lady who is diva. She wears red, she wears fearlessly. She is not somebody who kind of like keeps in her thoughts to herself. She's very open-minded, she's very straightforward. She will speak her mind and she will not hesitate from speaking her mind, you know. A very confident diva, somebody who just knows how to kind of get things done, and she knows, and she's quick in making decisions. That is the kind of girl that this one represents. I love how fruity and how fresh this fragrance is. Again, a good daytime wear, a perfect office wear in my opinion. I've worn this to office, gotten tons of compliments. I really love something like this because it's super non-offensive. Perfect, safe blind buy. If you're looking for a gifting option for your girl, go with this one because it's a super likable, very people pleaser DNA. I get around 6 to 7 hours of longevity, and projection and sillage is moderate. The last fragrance. Why this is the last fragrance? Because this is the one which is discontinued, and I absolutely love this fragrance. This is the one for which I actually contacted Nude Fragrances saying that, is it possible to bring it back? I love this perfume. Please don't discontinue it. And this fragrance is called as Love Swan. I recently spoke about this perfume in my perfume empties, and I mentioned there that I'm definitely going to repurchase it. I already have a bottle of it, already started giving a dent to it. Now I know that it is discontinued. I'm so heartbroken. I don't know guys, this is such a gorgeous fragrance. I really don't know why they have discontinued it, but I do want to talk about this one just to give you my perspective. This is like a Indian masala chai in a bottle, which is vanilla flavored, vanilla chai flavored. This is cardamom, this is rich in vanilla, this is so sweet. It has this masala tea wala feel to it. Super comforting. This is such a rainy day, monsoon appropriate fragrance. I just cannot stop talking about this, cannot stop recommending this enough. I am requesting Nude Perfumes, please, if you're watching this video, please bring this back. Please, this fragrance is a gem and should not be qualifying for a discontinue. Please, this is a signature scent worthy kind of a fragrance. It's a comforting scent, you know, it's a comforting scent. It's like meeting an old friend, meeting a trustworthy old friend with whom you can discuss your life. You may not be talking on everyday basis with that person, but in the background, that person is your childhood friend, knows you from your very start, and has been part of your life, knows you through and through, in and out, knows your mood swings, and at any point of time, no matter where you are in your life, that is that one person whom you can call and talk. It's that kind of an comforting scent. It feels like a warm hug. It feels like how a husband is protective towards his wife. It just is a very comforting and a very protective kind of a fragrance. This gives me easy 8+ hours. The sweetness just enwraps me, and I get this cardamom tea, vanilla wisp throughout the day. This is such a projective fragrance, long lasting, projective, fills the room, and is the most comforting friend kind of a fragrance. Nude Fragrances, if you're watching, please bring this back and never discontinue it. So that brings us to the end of the video. I know I have been talking for such a long time. I myself am so tired after doing this video, but I hope that everything that you wanted to know about Nude Fragrances is covered in this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for supporting. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. And if you've made it this far, you are a perfume lover just like I am. So thank you for the patience and thank you for sticking around. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.